Good afternoon, everybody. It's Brandon Doherty, Delaware Weather Guy, and instead of a happy time with DWG this afternoon, I'm not feeling 100%. So I thought I'd just do a up to date video on our impending system here that's coming in later tonight. Most of this is coming in while we're sleeping, so I'm not too. I've been looking at the data all day, and it really, I mean, the environment does support um, strong updrafting and um, some rotation, but nothing on the level that it would be impending, like tornadic issues or major supercell storms coming through in the middle of the night. I think what we're going to have is simply your run of the mill whoosh of a rainstorm come through, and it might rattle some walls in terms of wind, but I don't think it's going to be anything on the extreme end. Like I said, I think the major issue, and the Weather Service is pointing this out, is the wind. The winds will be gusting up to 45 miles per hour upstate, 47 downstate, and 45 down by the beaches of Bethany and Rehoboth and Lewis, 46 in middle Gloucester County and New Jersey, South Jersey, let's just say, and the beaches along the coast, it'll be a little bit gustier. And then wind gusts to our north about the same as what we're having down there. There's not a lot of rain with this, this system has sort of thinned out with intensity. I think it's lost a lot of its energy, and down south in the southeast, that's where the gustier thunderstorms and potential tornadic issues are happening at this current time, and will go well into the night down there. So if you're hearing news reports of um, issues down there, that's because of the higher dew points and the higher temperatures. Well, higher dew points really, that the environment down there is stronger for um, those kinds of systems. So, or severe weather. So the rain is, anywhere from a quarter to a half inch. Not really anything significant there. So here's the timeline. So between 12 and 3, most of the showers will be coming in with gusts of 40 to 50 miles per hour. The cold front moves through with a line of moderate to heavy rain showers with embedded thunder and strong winds. There could be some strong straight line winds in the cards here. So the morning commute is definitely going to be impacted. So just drive carefully and get to your work and get to your school safely. Then a cold front comes in and gradually diminish, and the showers move offshore. And then we have cooler weather for the weekend, and you know, um, wind. It's still going to be windy after the storm plows through here, because that's what cold fronts do. Okay, so that's it. That's an update, and I think that's pretty much going to be what the story is. And have a good Thursday evening, and don't worry, most of us will be asleep. Get the kids to bed. They'll probably get up with loud noises. Tell them everything's going to be fine. Delaware Weather Guy said so. Brandon Doherty, Delaware Weather Guy, saying adios. Have a wonderful evening. And I'll be back later this weekend. Adios.